What's up, Peak Timers? Welcome back to another peg hunting video where I have pulled up to my favorite Walmart. This Walmart always has something good. It's always fun to come to this Walmart and find stuff that I've really never seen before, as well as this is the same Walmart that had the 10,000 dump bin, so I'm hoping that dump bin is back. We will see. We will go inside and find out. Let's head on inside right now.
Make yourself an official Peak Timer by hitting that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn those notifications on so you don't miss an upcoming video. Alright, pulling up to the aisle. So far so good. Look at all the cars. Looks like we've got some 2019 new cars, lots of them. We've even got these new color shifters. Check these out. Wow. Okay, these are ones that I have not seen before. Is this a Fandango? Wow, look at the Fandango with the nice shark bite on it. Oh, let's see what else we have here. We've got a bunch of new 9-packs. These are really cool. Check. Oh, is this Pagani a new one? This might be the 2019 release of the Pagani Huayra Roadster. It's hard to tell because the interior and the exterior color are very similar to the previous release, but still good. We see another one in there too. I really like that one. I might have to get the 9-pack for it. We'll see. We've got a bunch of 2019 cars in these ones as well. And in this one as well, a bunch of 2019, the new Porsche 911 Police right there. We've got the CRX in that one. And this one, this one's missing a car. It looks like somebody took a car out of this one. That's no good. I hate it when we see that. But it looks like it was the Mustang that was missing from that one. And let's see this one right here. Yeah, there's that Pagani again. So it looks like that's probably the new Pagani. But I think I might wait for it to come in the main line. And here we've got some mystery models, and this is Mystery Models 1, and Mystery Models 2 is the one that I'm really looking forward to. I haven't seen it in stores yet, because that one includes a lot of really good cars. We'll just double check quickly back here. Yeah, they're all the Mystery Model 1, so I think we'll pass on those. Oh, check this out. This is a new Hot Wheels truck set by the looks of it. This one says 6 of 10. This is a Toyota pickup truck, and let's see all the cars in the back. Ooh, we got some really good ones in here. Ooh, wow, the Chevy pickup, the F-150, the Silverado. Oh, right. Okay, we have to look through here. Let's see if we can get all of them here. And that looks like the Chevy pickup there. And that one's like a Dodge Power Wagon type of truck there. Ooh, the F-150. Ooh, I really like that F-150. That one looks really cool. Black with the red trim on the wheels, red trim on the side. Ooh, that one's really cool. I think I might have to grab that one. Put that one aside for a sec. This one looks like the Studebaker white with the black highlights. You guys know I love my white cars with black on them, so that one's pretty cool. We might pick that one up. We'll see. And check this one out here. And that one's another like dragster pickup, and we'll put those down. We'll see what else we can see, if we can find any of the regular ones. Looks like the other Power Wagon, the Dodge Power Wagon's missing, so we might have to pass on that. We got the Transporter set, we got the Backroad Rally set, and I have already got this set before and done a review on it. I'll link that in the description and above, but you can see all the cars that are in there, so make sure you check out that other video that I have of it. We've got these Spider-Man cars, we've got Batman. So it looks like it's Spider-Man versus Batman type of series. This is a new one I haven't seen. 6 cars from there. They got the Charger in there, but it doesn't look too interesting. I feel there's just too many Batman sets. We'll have to pass on those. We've got some trucks up here, $397, pretty good deal. And check out the new monster trucks. And now we've got a partnership, it looks like, between WWE and the Hot Wheels Monster Truck series. So we got a bunch of the characters from that one. Check it out, John Cena. And I think we'll pass on those ones for now. We've got some of the double pack monster trucks. Ooh, check out this. This is a new Disney set. This is series 2 of the Disney set. There's Belle. Very cool. Oh, that's really neat. And we've got series 1 and 2 on the back. You can see all of them back there. But let's go ahead and have a closer look in here. We've got, look at that Minnie Mouse. That's a really cool looking one, Minnie Mouse. Very nice. My daughter will really love that one. What else do we have back here? We have Peter Pan. Oh, check out Peter Pan. That one's really cool as well. They're getting really good at these character cars. Oh, Pinocchio with the long nose. Gotta love Pinocchio. We'll have to have a look through and see if we can find the complete set of series number 2. Might have to pick those ones up. I do have a few of the series 1 cars. And check out all these other sets here. We've got this Matchbox Ford set, and this is an F-150 Lightning. Wow, I really like the F-150 Lightning. SVT Lightning, and we haven't seen many 1 in 64 cars of these. We see a lot of the Raptors. Not that I don't like the Raptors. The Raptors are awesome. We do have the Raptor in this set as well, so we'll have to find that one. There it is. There's the Raptor Gulf livery on there. I do have this one already in a regular smaller Matchbox package, not in this package. And let's see all the trucks that are included. Raptor, Lightning, we got some F-150s, F-350s, and we'll move on to the 50th anniversary Matchbox ones. We've got the S2000, gotta love that, and we've got the Range Rover included in that one as well. And this is the 50th Superfast set. I really like this set, and you can see we've got the Mercedes from that one. We've got some of the Matchbox 5 packs. And look at that, the Jaguars in there, very nice. We've got the Blue Highways one. That one's really cool. I like that SLR up there. And check it out, we got some more Fast and Furious cars, JDM cars. Let's check out this Fast and Furious set. This is the first series set. I already have this one as well, and I'll link this video in the description box below and up above. But I'm always looking for some extras of these. Nissan GTR, BNR 32. I really like those ones. Those are really cool. Let's have a look at what else we can find here. We've got some M2 cars. And what else do we have over here? We got some of the Cars 3 cars, more of the original Monster Jam ones. They're still trying to get rid of those ones, as you know that Hot Wheels and Monster Jam aren't licensed together anymore. But we do have this set right here. Check out that Lamborghini Huracan in there. Very cool. $377 for a 5-pack. Look at that CLK GTR. We got a Hummer F-150 in there. And what else? We got a 647 for an Adventure Force, and this is a 9-pack. And we got some other cars in here. Adventure Force, I'm not a huge fan of, but you know what? I think we'll head on over to the checkout and let's go into the car and I'll show you guys what I found.
All right, P-Timers, we're back inside of my car, and yes, I did find some really cool stuff. You guys saw a little bit of it on video, but let me show you exactly what I purchased. We'll head on over to my bag right here. I'm gonna pull out what I purchased here. So I did pick up that complete Matchbox Ford set. It's definitely an interesting set, and 94 cents a car. Not bad. I'm gonna actually pull them all out of this bag that I got right here. All right. Pulling them all out here. Here we go. Let's go over them. So we got the 56 Ford pickup right here. So that one's kind of interesting, a little bit older one. We got the 2017 Skyjacker Super Duty F350. Wow. That one is interesting, as well as this one here, the F350 Super Lift. Check that one out. These are getting so detailed now, it's actually quite amazing. We also have the 72 Ford Bronco 4x4. That one's cool. And oh, this one was the one that kind of hooked me. The F-150 Lightning. I have not seen a 1 in 64 F-150 Lightning. They always make the Raptors and the F-150s, F-350s. The Lightning, love it. And then we also got, of course, the Raptor. And I do have this one in a different casing. I have it in the actual box casing, but check out the artwork on that. Isn't that awesome? Love this one. And then, so that's the complete set of the 6 for the Ford set. We will be doing an unboxing video of those in a future video, so stay tuned for that. As well, I picked up the F-150 from this Hot Wheels truck set, and I was actually quite surprised. I didn't actually look at the pricing of it, because most of these sets, they're only like 94 cents a car. This car was $2.14. So $2.14 per car in the set. It's not even that premium of a set. They're not Real Riders. It's just kind of like a mainline type car, but recolored. So $2.14, a little bit much, but you know what? I loved this black F-150. I had to pick it up. So I picked that one up, as well as I got the Honda S2000, the Matchbox 50th anniversary Superfast set. So this one was a cool car that I was really looking forward to. Got the opening hood. It's literally one of the most detailed Matchbox cars I've ever seen. So we'll open this one up in a future video as well. But I spent a grand total of $14.78. And actually, you know what? I also did I did pick this up as well. This is a bunch of eggs. They're Easter eggs. It's getting close to Easter, so they started selling these. I thought I'd pick these up and we'll make, I got a cool video idea for you guys for Easter eggs. So we're gonna do that one in a future video as well, so I picked those ones up. But thank you very much for watching this peg hunting video. Let me know in the comments down below, which was your favorite car that you saw in this video. Smash that thumbs up, guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.